boy. You already know that I can get it up like I stay on Viagra 24/7. Goddamn it, dog, I hope I die and go to heaven. But for now, just trying to stay down and stay proud. Yeah, you already know, trying to get up. I'm so corrupt, but damn, dog, you know this life has no love. Shit, dog, we just trying to stay blessed. But you already know this life is a mess. So yes, we trying to pass a couple of tests, but damn, I'm catching a couple of F's. If you a hustler, you know that's a felony. But damn, dog, I'm just trying to stay on melodies, and that just means that I'm staying on track, black. But you already know a nigga like me push packs, black. Damn, dog, my man just got locked for that, but I had to leave it alone. Shalom, dog. Assalamu alaikum, salaikum salah. You already know I'm trying to get high, but dog, I don't let down with them niggas who be rolling with Allah. Cause yo, dog, pardon moi, I'm just trying to get this dough. US of A, capitalism, true religion, the mighty dollar, and that I trust. Oh shit, man, for that I bust. Oh man, dog, that'll make me the upper crust. So yup, I'm just trying to come up. But damn, dog, it seems like my world is full of crabs in a bucket, yelling fuck it and trying to drag me down in my town. And most of them wear badges, but you know me, I stay that nigga looking like fudge. I won't budge, too damn dog. Always have to miss my mark, but you already know a nigga like me hustling park. Straight from Miami to Maine, you already know I did my thing, and my record is unstained. Hallelujah, damn dog, bitch come through, I'ma do ya, and pass it to my crew. Oh no, it's like lacrosse, better yet J. Crew. Oh shit, dog, I meant to say Peace Crew. You know how I do. If I'm getting famous, best to know the name is Profit till the cemetery. Whoa.